ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः या ज्ञानविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। एक जीववाद इन एक जीववाद चैतन्य अवच्छेदक इस अविद्या और अंतःकरण
अविद्या
चैतन्य अवच्छेदक इस अविद्या. So एक जीव is the one who has only avidya as avachedaka, not antahkarana. So if I want to be that eka jiva, in other words, I am following eka jiva vada, where I am the eka jiva, then I should not think of myself as antahkarana avachinna, only avidya avachinna. What is the difference between Chaitra and Maitra in Bahujivavada? What is the difference if we think? Difference is only in their antahkarana. Chaitra antahkarana and Maitra antahkarana are different. But Chaitra avidya and Maitra avidya, they are same. In other words, if I want to live in Ekajivavada, I want to practice Ekajivavada, then I should transcend my own antahkarana. Avidya is the only upadhi, not antahkarana. Our identity right now is either sthula sharira or sukshma sharira. We define ourselves only on the basis of these two. So to reach the stage of Ekajiva, I have to stop defining myself with sthula and sukshma sharira. Only karana sharira is the upadhi. Then Ekajivavada is for me. That is the meaning of that statement, avidya avachinna, not antahkarana avachinna. This is one. Second point, who is this Ekajiva? If this question comes, who is this Ekajiva? So the one who is samashti abhimani, and we said this samashti abhimani is who?
Hiranyagarbha.
I am.
The one without raga dvesh.
Because when the question is that samashti abhimani is there, and if we say Hiranyagarbha is there, in that what is the pramana? In Ekajivavada, other than I, that there is somebody else existing. Who is Hiranyagarbha or anybody else? Because one Chaitanya is me. So I have to think I am that Ekajiva. But only thinking that I am this Ekajiva will not work unless I remove my Raga Dvesha. Or, as I said, I transcend my own Antakarana. So, Antakarana becoming so transparent. In other words, how I see myself and how I see anybody else is same. To that extent, if I attain purity, actually that is what is called Hiranyagarbha. He doesn't see any difference between two people or objects within himself. So we have to work for this. Studying Ekajivavada, we feel good. It's such a wonderful philosophy. But to make ourselves equipped with this, the price that we have to pay is also very significant. Then only we get that gain. So these points you can dwell on. Now 475. Purvapakshi said, there are some Shruti quotations where Bahujivavada is mentioned because Bahuvachana was used. So we saw all of them. Avidyayam antare vartamana. In case of avidya, sushupti, karma bandhana, tattva jnana, moksha, etc. Siddhanti said there are vakyas like anadi maya sukto yada jivaha prabudyate, etc. So there ekvachanam is used. Even though Acharya has said there ityadi shruti shu. So this may be a shruti vakya, or this is like a upalakshana for other shruti vakyas where ekvachana prayoga is there. This is known to us only in Karika. So you can think of this as representative of some other shrutis where ekvachana prayoga is there, like eko devaha sarvabhuteshu gudha, etc. Further now, nacha udahrita shruti virodhena iti srishtau vinishchitaha iti purvena सपूज्यः सर्वभूतानां इति उत्तरेण च विरोधेन इदमेकवचनम् यदा नीतिपरो राजा स्वर्गकामो यजेत इत्यादिवत् नैकत्वपरम् इति एव किन्न स्यात् इति वाच्य. You said, Purvapakshi is telling Siddhanti, you said anadi maya suptaha yada jiva prabudyate. That Karika number is 16 in first chapter. But before that, there is a Karika. Ichha matram prabho srishtihi iti srishtau vinishchitaha. Vinishchitaha is Bahuvachana. Kalat prasutim bhutanam manyante kalachintakaha. So Bahuvachana prayogas are there. This is Karika 8. And then sapujyah sarvabhutanam त्रिषु धामसु यत्तुल्यं सामान्यं वेत्ति निश्चितः सपूज्यः सर्वभूतानां वन्द्यश्चैव महामुनिः. This is Karika 22. So in both of them, Bahuvachana Prayoga is there. They are all given in the Hindi Tikas, both Hindi Tikas on 475 in the Swami Yogendranji's book. So Purvapaksha says there is Bahuvachana Prayoga also. You are just quoting Ekvachanam and justifying Ekajiva. In other words, Ekvachana Prayog doesn't mean Ekatva. It can be Bahutva also. Like Yada Niti Paro Raja. So, it is not that one Raja is there. All kings who are Niti Paraha, whoever that king is. And also, Jyotishtomena Swarga Kamo Yajeta. So, Swarga Kamaha is not one person who has desire for Swarga. All those people who have desires for Swarga. So, Ekvachana Prayoga doesn't mean only Eka. Ityadivat na ekatva param iti evakin na syad iti na cha vachya. Siddhanti says, pratyatva paratvam aham ityadi vyavahara प्रयोजक अंतःकरण अभेद अध्यास बलात् बहुत्वस्य प्राप्तत्वेन पूर्वोत्तर वाक्योदाहृत श्रुत्यादीनां अतत्परत्वात्. प्रत्यक्त्व पराक्त्व अहम त्वम inner outer me you, this kind of vyavahara prayojaka antःकरण अभेद अध्यास. Prayojaka vyavahar is possible only when you have Yushmad, Asmad, all these vibhaga and Tat. Antःकरण abheda adhyas balat, when identified with Antःकरण, bahutvasya praptatvena, bahutva is praptam, purvottar vakya udahrata shrutyadinam atatparatvat. So the Purva and Uttar Vakyas which are given in these Mandukya Karikas, 8th Karika and 22nd. So, where Bahuvachanam is there, it is Anuvada of what is already accepted by masses. People accept that there are many Atmas, many Jivas. So, the Bahuvachana Prayoga is there. In general, so this is actually how much Ajnanam is there. Ekajivvada person is also Ajnani. Bahujivvada person is also Ajnani. But in Bahujivavada, Ajnanam is too much. Too much in the sense, I cannot think of myself beyond even Sthula Sharira. Forget beyond Sthula and Sukshma Sharira. So that person has a longer journey. And that is why those who do Ahangrahopasana, etc., they have a much easier path later in Jnana Sadhana. And what is Anuvada of generally understood concepts is not Pramana. It is only Anuvada Vakya. So Vyavahara Prayojaka Antakarana Abheda Adhyasa. They identify with those Antakaranas. And as many Antakaranas, they think as many Jivas are there. So Bahutvasya Praptatvena. Bahutva is Anyatha Prapta by Ajnani. Purvottar Vakya Udahrata Shrutyadinam Atat Paratvad. So they are not Tatparya Vakyas. Where Bahuvachan Prayoga is there, Siddhanti is telling, they are not Tatparya. Tatparya is not in many Jivas. न च मुक्त बहुत्वं नान्यतः प्राप्तम् इति वाच्य. जीव बहुत्वस्य प्राप्तत्वेन मुक्त्यंश एव अप्राप्तत्व पर्यवसानात्. When such statements are given, many jivas are liberated, or all of them are liberated. Let us say some such statement. Paramritat parimuchyanti sarve. Sarve parimuchyanti. So mukta bahutva. Many are liberated. This is not anyataha prapta. Many are existing, many are ignorant. That you can say it is known through pratyaksha pramana. Okay. Many are liberated. How do we know? Only through Shastra. So if Shastra says many are liberated, means there are many. So mukta bahutvam, muktanam bahutvam anyatah na praptam. It is not known through other means. Iti nacha vachyam. Jiva bahutvasya praptatvena. Jiva bahutva is prapta. Muktyamsha means muktyamshe eva apraptatva paryavasanat. What Siddhanti is saying is, when it is said, many jivas have attained liberation. Many jivas, this part of the statement is anuvada of general experience. It is prapta. Are liberated. That liberation part is pramana. Jiva bahutvasya praptatvena. Mukti amshe eva apraptatva. And what is aprapta? In that, Shruti is pramana. Somebody may say, this is very partial way of looking at Shastra, just because you want to prove Ekajivavada. We say, okay, the whole objective of this Ekajivavada is that I transcend my own Antakarana itself in Prakriya before Mahavakya. That much preparedness I have. Because for that, Mahavakya is not needed. Mahavakya will play the role only later. This much preparation I can do even before. Negating my own Antakarana. Let me be ignorant, but I am not body, sthula or sukshma, gross or subtle. This much I can prepare myself. Then only one hurdle, avidya. So even if someone thinks this is a partial way of interpreting Shastra, is that, not that it is the case, because our mukhya drashtanta is swapna. Swapna drashtanta siddhi will be 100% possible in Ekajivavada. न च एकस्यैव जीवस्य सर्वकल्पकत्वे जीवस्य कारणत्वं निषिध्य ईश्वर कारणत्व विधायकैः श्रुत्यादिभिर्विरोधः. If you say there is only one jiva who is the kalpaka, means whose projection is this creation, he is doing kalpana. And other than jiva, there is no Ishvara in Ekajivavada. If Jiva has Karanatvam of Jagat, Jiva is the Jagat Karana, then those Shruti Vakyas which talk about Ishvara as Jagat Karanam and Ishvara as Sarvagnya, Sarvakarta, etc., which he is going to quote in the next line. So there will be Virodha with such Shrutis which talk about Ishvara as Jagat Karan. We saw this Janmadhyasya, no, here we didn't see. If you say Ekajivavada and Srishti is from Jiva, we saw this, right? Then Janmadhyasya Yataha. Why did the Sutrakara indicate Srishti is from Sarvagnya Brahma? So, answer is given here. So, there will not be Virodha. Why? Avidya Chinmatra Ashrayatva Upapadene Nirasishya Manatvat. The Shruti says, whatever is the Ashraya of Avidya, that Chaitanya is Jagat Karana, Upadana Karana. Avidya Chinmatra Ashrayatva Upapadane. This is the Upapadana. Upapadana is the Nirasishya Manatva. So in that, the Nirasa is done. In other words, whatever you understand as Avidya Ashraya, that Chaitanya. So that Chaitanya is Brahman. So in Ekajivavada or in Bahujivavada, answer is Brahma alone. Ishvara and Jiva, those Vakya Bhedas are there. So the identity is only of Brahma. न च एवं सर्वज्ञत्व सर्वकर्तृत्वादि बोधक श्रुतिनां निर्विषयत्वम्. If there is no Ishvara, then Sarvajñatva, Sarvakartrutva will go to whom? Who is Sarvajña? Who is Sarvakarta? All this Bodhaka Shruti will become Nirvishaya. Their Shrutinam Nirvishaya. Shuddha Chaitanya Jnatvasyaiva Abhavat. In Shuddha Chaitanya, there is no Sarvajñatva because it is not Jna. Jna in the sense, it is not Jnata. And Ishvara, Ishvarasya cha Jiva Bhinnasya Abhavat. In Ekajivavada, there is no Ishvara different from Jiva. So there is no such Kalpana that some other Ishvara is there. Chaitanya means I only. There is only one Chaitanya. When I wake up, my world is there. When I go, my world is gone. Over. And Jiva doesn't have Sarvajñatvam. Jive Sarvajñasya Anubhava Badhitatvat. In Jiva, Sarvajñatva Anubhava is Badhita. It means no Jiva feels I am Sarvajña. This is why you have to remember the introduction today's. No Jiva in Bahujivavada will feel I am Sarvajña as long as He looks at everything through Antakarana. If you look at anything through Antakarana and then try to see Sarvajñatva, Sarvakartritva, it will not happen. You need Samashti Abhimana. That is said. Iti nacha vachyam. Samashti Abhimanino Jivasya Sarvajñatva, Sarvakartritvadi Svikara. Samashti Abhimani Jiva. But if I do Kalpana, there is some other Samashti Abhimani Jiva, and I am in his dream, then that Eka Jiva Vada is for that Samashti Abhimani, not for me. Because I am only his projection. I am like Sarpa, and he is Rajju. So then it will not work. So Samashti Abhimani means when I think of myself as Samashti Abhimani, means there is nothing different from me. Everything is my projection of it. Then I am Sarvajña, I am Sarvakarta, because I know everything. In Drishti Srishtivada we saw, Drishti Srishtivada doesn't mean entire Srishti is created at once. To the extent I have Drishti, that much part of Srishti is there. If I am here, this part is in Rishikesh, is my Drishti, that much Srishti I have. If I think of something or someone who is not here, let's say physically, that part is also part of my creation. If I go from here to some other place or think of something new, sitting here, that becomes my creation. I don't have to physically go everywhere. Sitting here, if I think of Brahmaloka, let us say. So Brahmaloka is my Srishti. Anubhava Virodha, somebody will say we never feel we are Sarvajña. Nacha Anubhava Virodha. Antakarana Abheda Adhyasa Balat Tad Ananubhavat Tad Viparita Anubhavayor Upapatte. Antakarana Abhed. Because we are so identified with our own Antakarana Abheda Adhyasa. Because of that, Tad Ananubhava. Sarvajñatva, Sarvakartritva, Anubhava is not there. On the other hand, Tad Viparita Anubhava is there. I am Alpajñan. I don't know this, I don't know that, so many things. So, what it shows is, I have serious identification with Antakarana also. We have so much identification with body, and that we know when body is in pain, some disease happens, then we realize that so many issues are there. On top of that, Antakarana identification is also strong. What is the pramanam? I never feel I am Sarvajña, Sarvakarta. So this is the reason. Tad ananubhava, tad viparita anubhavayoho upapatte. Its upapatti is because of Antakarana abheda adhyasa bala. Sarvabhimaniнаstu sarvajña anubhavo asti eva. Sarvabhimani here means the one who has samashti abhimana. You don't have to put Hiranyagarbha title. That jiva will have sarvajñatva anubhava. But you see the quotation he has given now. Atayeva tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vedha parantapa iti upapadyate. Now you tell me, tanyaham veda sarvani, who is saying this?
Bhagavan Krishna.
Or
Ishvara.
Ekajiva.
And here he gives quotation as Ekajiva. The one who has sarvabhimana. So anyone who has sarva abhimana, he will be able to say I know all. So without labeling now Jiva or Ishwar also, Sarvabhimani. So sometimes you will find, I have noticed in elsewhere also, when they give this Bahujivavada, Drishti, Srishtivada, the Ishwar concept that we have in Bahujivavada is gone. So everything is in this Ekajiva only. Because there is no Ishwar other than Ekajiva, in Ekajiva. In other words, whatever entire Gita is there, whatever Bhagavan said for himself is true for Ekajiva. All Vibhutis are mine. Vishwarupa is mine. I am Sutre Manigana Iva. In this way, you should understand. This is the story of Ekajiva. This is his biography. So Ekajiva sounds very fascinating, but it requires a lot of sadhana, and then it also requires that I withdraw more and more. Withdraw means not going somewhere. Going somewhere is not a sign of withdrawal. You go somewhere and you still do the same thing. Withdrawing means you may do some vyavahara, basic, but internally nothing should touch you as much as possible. So for, of course, somebody who is in Grahastha Ashrama, it is very difficult. Those who are actually internally renunciant, you don't let anything touch you and remain well grounded in Brahma Vidya. So outside somebody thinks, somebody says something happens, you throw everything and just remain in your Swarupa Avastha. Then this going beyond Antakarana and all is possible. Nacha Acharyavan Purusho Veda. Now a very interesting question. He says, in Eka Jiva, there is only one Jiva who is not enlightened yet. He is not realized. For realization, he will need teacher, because Acharyavan Purusho Veda. Where will he get Acharya from? Iti Shruter Upadesham Vina Jivasya Tattva Jnanam Anupapannam. Without Upadesha, Jiva will not get Tattva Jnanam. Why? Upadeshtavyat Anyasya Chaitanyasya Abhavat. Upadeshtavya is Jiva. Other than Jiva, there is no other Chaitanya. Chaitanyasya Abhavat. Therefore, no Upadesho yujyate. Upadesha is not possible. Iti nacha vacha. Interesting thing is, Purvapakshi has all kind of questions, but Siddhanti has all answers. See the answer. Swapna iva upadeshtuhu kalpitasya sambhavat. You can do kalpana of a dream guru, Acharya. He will teach you. You are real. He is in your swapna. Kalpitasya sambhavat. You mean this Ekajivavada, some portions are not for people who are faint-hearted, okay? Those who cannot digest these things, they should not study Ekajiva. They should remain content with Bahujivavada. And you see Acharyas here, they don't hesitate to tell things in a radical way, not a normal view. They are okay. Nanu upadeshtrutvam na kalpita matrasya kintu tattvavittena kalpitasya. This is the question. Who can become the upadeshta? The one who is Brahmajnani. Only he will be Brahmajnani upadeshta. If a jiva, Ajnani jiva, has to do kalpana, so and so Acharya is Brahmajnani, he has to know what is Brahma first. The one who is doing kalpana should know what is Brahma. Then he will say, this Acharya knows Brahma, he is Brahmajnani. From this Acharya I will study, I will gain Mahavakya Upadesha. So you yourself have to know Brahma first before you superimpose the idea somebody is Brahmajnani. ननु उपदेष्टृत्वं न कल्पित मात्रस्य किंतु वित्तत्वेन तत्त्ववित्त्वेन तत्त्ववित्त्वेन कल्पितम्. So he is kalpita how? As tattvavid, he is the knower. कल्पितस्य तथा च उपदेशात् प्राक् तत्वज्ञाने तदैव मोक्षापत्ति. Before the guru gives me upadesha, if I already know Brahma, to superimpose Brahma Jnanam in my Swapna Guru, I am already enlightened. Why do I need upadesha? Upadesha vayarthyam cha tattva jnane tadaiva mokshapatti. Before getting the Mahavakya Upadesha, I am already enlightened. Upadesha is of no use. Nacha evam swapne api tulyam. And you can't see in swapna also everything is same. Why? Tada hi shabda vishesha vaktritvenaiva guru kalpana. Here, guru kalpana is shabda vishesha vaktritvena. He knows, the student knows Brahma in general. Guru will give Vishesha Upadesha. But actually this is true in Bahujivvada also. When somebody goes to Guru and says, "Oh Guru, please give me Brahma Vidya." Do you think the student already knows Brahma? He doesn't know. Student thinks, I have some idea about Brahma, that there is something. Guru knows everything, and Guru knows is a doubtful projection. Maybe he knows everything. So he stays there to study. If Guru doesn't know, it's okay. You go to somebody else. So tada hi shabda vishesha vaktritvenaiva guru kalpana. Natu upadesha sadhya jnana vishaya vishesha vitvena. Not that I know upadesha sadhya jnana vishaya vishesha vitva. I know everything and that I project that yes, this Guru knows. So this I will elaborate in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.